Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and for more information on how I achieved this look, stay tuned. So today I'm using the Model Glance Braid. This is the Bomb Twist 2 times, and it reminds me of, Passion Twist. Reminds me of a lot of the different twist styles, but they are a little small, and I like them. So this is me just braiding my hair down. My hair has been in a tapered cut style for seems like a couple years now, just different variations of a taper cut. And on one hand, I feel like I want to grow my hair back out. On the other hand, I feel like I want to shave it bald and dye it blonde. So I'm just really torn right now with my hair. I've even been thinking about locks. I feel like I've just done so many styles. Oh my goodness, but I'm just trying to decide what my next move is going to be. So, of course, a protective style crochet is always an easy go-to. Don't really have to worry about it much. So, this is me just braiding my hair down, getting it laid down so I can put some braids into it. Put some crochet into it, I'm sorry. Finished up. I have, just kind of the straight back, not really straight, but just kind of the going back braid pattern. Slanted on the sides. My hair is short on the sides and the back. So these are my braids. And I'm pretty much really into the crochet style. I have a majority of my hair already done. That is what the twists look like coming outside of the package. And I'm just going to be crocheting it in here. Nothing new here. You guys know how to do the crochet. So I'm just putting the visual with it right now. And my hair has some blonde on the ends. So my goal is to cover up the blonde so you're not able to see that at all. I used 6 packs of the Bomb Twist hair, and like I said, my hair is in a taper cut, so had I braided all the way down to the nape of my neck, I'm thinking I probably would have used 7 packs. I don't think I would have used 8 because it's pretty full right now, but I think 7 packs would be good if you braid your hair all the way down to the nape of your neck. So get 7 packs. This hair was $8.99 at my local beauty supply store. And I'm pretty sure after a while the price will go down on it, but I guess it's pretty new here in my area. So these are the Bomb Twists. And they are the bomb. I like them. Like, for real, I really do like them. They're easy to manage. I've had them in now for a week, and I'm really enjoying them. I'm going to try to keep them for at least another 2 weeks, try to decide what I'm gonna do with my hair. Y'all know that it's so hard for me to do, but I need to just keep my hair up before I get the clippers out. So definitely gonna be in another week or two till I decide what my next move is gonna be. So now I have most of the twist in. Anything else that I need to fill in, I will go ahead and do that off camera. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.